Would you looky. Boy, if it ain't one of the Isley brothers. Oh, I'm here today to talk some shit. I don't know what mechanic he took this shit to, but please start letting this be your last stop. Look at the panels. Look at the panels, man. Look at this shit here.
Let them know you about to hook it up now.
Look how dirty these seats is, man. Footmarks, no consideration for such a light color. But whoever this mechanic you choose, throw his ass in the trash, man.
Hook it up.
God almighty, man. No consideration at all, boy, I tell you. These backyard ass mechanics, man. I mean, y'all take a little bit more pride in your work. Look at the panels. Panels won't sit all the way on. They ain't take the time to do this shit here back right. We got gaps all the way around. Y'all know our shit don't have no gaps in it, man. Y'all know our shit don't have no gaps in it like this, man. And chip my man truck up. Ooh-wee! Boy, this sounds like a free bill to me. Ron Isley wasn't missing when it left here. This door won't open? This door won't open?
Yeah, it's probably locked.
Boy, I tell you. If it wasn't for the grace of God, I would say some things that really would hurt some feelings. But I ain't gonna do it. No, I ain't gonna do it. Look at our work. Well, you know what he on. Folges. Rim lady working. I guess you need a detail guy. God almighty. Could you believe this shit, Ram?
I really can't.
I can't either, man. I can't believe he did us like this. What a disgrace to our work. Hard work at that. Boy, I tell you, man. Man, have some decency about your work. This says a lot about this mechanic here. Hey, I got his info too. It wasn't tall head. He know better. It's this other motherfucker that's the problem.
Watch your language, sir.
Oh yeah, let me watch my language. It's just a disgrace.
Family show.
On Ron Isley. It's a family show? Well, I know they watch Miss Pat's show. And she be talking shit. But long time no see.
Yes, sir.
Long time no see. Still clean though. Boy, you gotta drop that front down about 2 inches.
Yeah.
Don't take it back there. Don't take it back there. Boy, look at here, man. How y'all do this, man? Fresh paint, bruh. I ain't gonna call them out, though. We just know not to go there. Hey, man, that's it for this episode of Full of Shit Mechanics. Them hinges, though. I'll be back in a minute.